Hi, my name is Master Aegon with Perfect Balance Martial Arts, and today we're doing Kyokushin Karate Training Methods. Now, the most important thing to understand Kyokushin Karate is the fact that, again, it's very low risk, high rewards, at least high rewards when it comes to self-defense. So therefore today, this is Andre Aegon working with me today, assisting. He's going to be showing you what a round kick will look like. Now, I know that most times you see round kicks high in the air, Jackie Chan, Bruce Lee style. That's for Hollywood. What you want to do is show low round kicks. We're going to show 2 low round kicks to emphasize self-defense. Okay, ready? And go. Kia! Ready? Kia! Now, the most important thing is he's nice and low where he can't lose his balance or stability. Now, let's show what it would look like in Kyokushin style to remove a round kick. So let's do 1 kick, just get our timing down. High kick. Perfect. Now, roll speed. Go. Kia! And down he goes. By doing this technique, it is how to remove a round kick. Now, I prefer a round kick to behind the air. It's easier for me to remove it, as you saw. One more time. Okay, ready? And and down he goes. Okay, that's a Kyokushin style karate methods. Again, my name is Master Aegon, Andre Aegon, Perfect Balance Martial Arts, where we train the body, mind, and spirit. I thank you so much for tuning in today, and I look forward to seeing you next segment.